Objectives of business means that aim of the organization, goal of the organization, or where you want to see your organization in future. Means what you want to achieve in future are known as objectives of business. Objectives of business are further classified into three categories, that are economic objectives, social objectives, and human objectives. Economic objectives are related with money making, means you want to make money, you want to increase, you want to maximize profit in future. Then social objectives are related with society, what you are doing for your society, what benefits society is getting from your business. Then human objectives are what you are doing for your workers, your human resource, your employees. So human objectives are also known as individual objectives. It is not that one organization should have one objective. An organization can have many objectives, like I can have one economic objective as well as social objective as well as human objective also. So we can have mixed match of the objectives. Today we will do economic objectives. As you all know, business is an economic activity and therefore its purpose is to show economic results. Means every business has to show the growth in the economic objectives. Number one economic objective is earning profit. So profit is a result. You are taking so much risk in the business, so profit is a result. So the foremost and prime objective of every businessman is to make money, to make profit. A business cannot service without earning profit. So not only for survival, but it is required for growth and expansion of business as well. Number two, market standing, or we can say survival of the business. Business can survive for a longer period only if it is able to capture a big share in the market and has market standing. See, if you will survive in the market, then only you can make money. If you are not in the market, because of your competitor, you are out of the market, you are not able to sell the product in the market, then how you can make money? So this is another objective. Number three is growth and expansion. Every business want to grow. See, for example, I have one shop. I will want to open more stores, more shops. So every business wants to grow and expand, and this definitely indicates how efficient we are. If we are growing, it means we are efficient. Another economic objective is innovation. Innovation means making new products, bringing something new in the market. So why we are doing this? Because we want to beat the competitors and we want to generate more income by this. So another economic objective is bringing new methods, new techniques, new features in the product, so that you can provide a variety of products to the consumer and you can earn huge profits. Fifth is optimum utilization of resources. If you are using the resources up to the maximum level, for example, you have a machine which can produce 1000 units, but you are only producing 500 units, means you are not utilizing the machine properly. So if you will utilize the machine properly, then you can produce more and you can earn more. Sixth is improving productivity. So it is used as a measure of efficiency. Every business enterprise must aim at greater productivity, means to produce more, to ensure continuous survival and growth. This objective can be achieved by reducing wastage and making efficient use of machines and equipments, human resource and money. So this will lead to increase the profit as well. This is your homework. You have to write any 4 economic objectives of business in your notebook. Don't forget to write headings and then explanations, because in your exams, headings and explanations, they have marks. If you are not writing headings, then you will lose 50% of the marks. And I request all the students not to email your work on daily basis. Whole week's work you will email me on Wednesday. Every Wednesday you will email me whatever is done in that week. Thank you. Have a nice day. See you in the next lecture.